The meaning of a cryptocurrency and token are inextricably intertwined. There may be some who believe they are essentially the same thing, but also others who beg to differ. The truth is, they are both forms of digital assets, built differently to serve different purposes. But what sets them apart? A cryptocurrency is built on a native blockchain network and mainly used as a means of payment for products and services or as a store of value. They are decentralized in nature, relying on codes to supervise the crypto issuance and transactions. And cryptos are issued directly by a blockchain protocol through mining, just like Bitcoin. On the other hand, digital tokens are programmable assets built on an existing blockchain. They are usually distributed through initial coin offerings or ICOs, and are often used to unlock certain features on the platform the tokens were designed for. For example, we have governance tokens, like Maker, where decentralization truly matters. Token holders can use these tokens to influence a project's direction, propose changes to a protocol, or vote on new proposals. Then there are security tokens. These are direct on-chain representations of real-world assets like real estate or stocks, but in digital form. Buying a security token gives you the ownership of that asset on the blockchain ledger. And not forgetting utility tokens. These give users access to specific uses of a product or service based on a blockchain. For example, users can use ETH to access dApps, and as a means of payment for smart contracts to be executed on the blockchain. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are yet another kind of token. Each NFT contains computerized code to represent the unique asset, like a piece of digital art. The digital signature makes it impossible to be exchanged for an identical piece. These examples are by no means all tokens that are available out there in the crypto space. And staying up to date with what's new in the market will help you make better investment decisions. Why not head on down to Bybit Learn to find out more about all cryptocurrencies and tokens?